Big toe. Y'all almost just fucked this man up. I was looking and shit, looking around and shit while I was turning. My license would have been gone, man. Bitches ain't no walk anyway, so. And plus, I got this blind spot, man. Y'all know this is a blind spot. If you driving, this part right here is a fucking blind spot, man. And my ass are like, y'all, the Lord is working. I feel funny saying that, cause like, I was never like religious or just like, praise God or thank you, Jesus. Nothing like that. The Lord is working, man. I just got approved for this program to get my CDLs. Your boy about to be a trucker. I'ma still do YouTube. You know, YouTube take off. I can probably, I'm gonna do both. You know, I gotta have. You always gotta have a backup plan. You always gotta have a second thing. And you know, this program gonna help. And then Martasia just got a job offer. So we're gonna see what that's about when she accepts and stuff at University Hospital. So you know, we on the big thing, man. We got a trip coming up. We got a couple trips coming up. I fix my car tomorrow. Oh, shit. I fix my car tomorrow. Not only that, I need to wash this shit. Where's her car? Fix my car tomorrow. I got a lot to do. We got a trip in March. We're going to cruise. Y'all, I'm surrounded by these motherfuckers. The kids are walking around the corner. I'm dead. The kids gonna walk around the corner. Hey, cuz. Hey, cuz. Where y'all from? Where y'all from, cuz? Get on a field trip, head ass. So this is what you do when you're all alone, kids. I'm on the toilet right now, but still. Question of the day. Don't worry about what I'm talking. Don't worry about it. Question of the day. Not question of the day. Fun fact. Do you know the same stuff you need to survive can kill you? Like water. You need water to survive, but if you have too much of it, you drown. Car. You need your car to travel. You get hit by a car. Fucking prescription drugs. You need those to help you. But if you have too much of it, it kills you. You overdose. Like, damn, that shit crazy, ain't it? What nigga taught you that? She just taught me that. That little arrow next to the gas tank, the little gas sign, mean the gas that's pointing at that say, mean the gas pump on that side. Who taught you that shit? I ain't even know that shit. Who taught you that shit? I might get these type of rims. Y'all, we just went through a drive. We got some chips. We got some Gatorade. We got some Skittles. Little kids on the corner selling some candy. I'm like, oh, most definitely. Let me get some.
We spent $3 on all of this.
$3 on all this.
So we went Gatorade $1. So we went Skittles $1.
No, it depends where you go. These 89-cent Target.
Really?
Yeah.
They like $1.39.
A bigger bottle of this is $1 at Dollar Tree.
Okay, but Dollar Tree.
But last time we didn't change it. Our I know this car ain't messed up again. I'm about to go home. Oh my God. Something messed up. Something messed up. Look at my house right down the street. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all go. Still grateful though.
6.
Okay, I ain't got shit to say. But I went back to the drawing board. Yeah. I went back to the drawing board. And the nigga really out here now. I mean, hopefully. I still gotta test it later. I still gotta see later. See how it is after I'm done driving it. But and I ain't seen no leaks. There were no leaks. I just checked again with no leaks. The belt was spinning properly. It was lined up. Everything was aligned. I got a oily film on this my thing. It's like a fucking filter. What? Yeah. My windshield. You know, I wouldn't be driving there from Artesia, man. I'm gonna just point that out there, man. I actually wouldn't be driving this bitch at all from Artesia. I don't think I have a job before from Artesia. Who is it? Who is it? It's like every year, like 2 times. Who is it? 2 times? How many? 2 times. Yeah, I get it. That's how it can be. You know how YouTube is going on tour and shit now.
Yeah.
Fuck. I'm like, what's up with it? 2 times. Who is it? 2 times. How many? 2 times. Leek. Hey. How many?
You funny as fuck.
They be like, Leeky, I miss you. Oh my God, it's really him, Mom.
I can't believe I can sign this.
Oh, can you sign my booty cheeks? Sign my boobs, please.
You better not do it.
Please sign my boobs. It's a bug in here.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Oh, this.
Like killing the innocent. You got him?
Gotta sneak up on it. Ah! What?
Missed him?
Oh, no, I got him. You right.
Throw him out the window. Let his family see him.
Bitch ass nigga, fuck!
What?
What's wrong with that nigga, man?
What?
No, we don't hang. You know what, man? We
don't hang with the flies.
We gotta get up out of here, man. Niggas out here wilding, man.
Man, you need to put a clip of that thing in Kim's.
Oh my God, I gotta show y'all. This fucking, we just went.
What the?
This food, we just got to get some food, man. Some chicken and shit, some fries.
Some
Polish boys. Arm skinny as fuck.
Oh!
How skinny my fucking arm is. That be like a noodle. Don't let my skinniness in my glasses get you fucked up.
I can't get it. Oh, cause my leg right there. I'm stupid.
Don't let this shit get you fucked up. I mean, I'm skinny, but I slam a fucking 300-pound ass nigga.
Oh, the fuck.
Don't let that get you fucked up. These glasses don't mean shit.
He can see without them too, the food.
Fuck. Shit, we about to go get some B-dubs though. You already know, man. You already know you love B-dubs.
It's funny because
she started her job
on
Monday. Real phone call.
It's filled between you.
How I'm gonna get that if you can't get it?
Cause you always use it.
That bitch gone, dude. Hold this.
Leek always the phone getter.
If y'all see why I got an army shirt on, because I was about to join the army.
I just made an ugly face.
crazy. Every vlog we had, I was in her car. Now we can be back in my car. I fixed my shit myself. My fucking self.
Yourself.
Myself.
See the shit.
Power steer pump.
What I have to do?
Power steer pump. You had to call me the power steer pump. Take the bitch out. Put it in myself, man. It's hot, man. She bought some stuff for me. I really need. She bought the belt for me because I broke the first belt. She bought the belt. After 2 long days in this motherfucking garage, and a long ass time, wish me luck. And a long ass time waiting on the money and shit, waiting on everything to fall into place. What's that? Hold on. I think there's something under the car. Hello? I hate anyone. Who's there? Ain't no leaks. Hey, y'all can let me out the driveway. A nigga whipping.
Don't even worry about that, baby.
A nigga whipping.
All you need to worry about.
A nigga whipping. A nigga whipping.
Tickets on deck.
A nigga
Prizes
whipping.
on deck. I'm just gonna be here waiting for the radio killer in the building. Pull up on us.
Oh.
Malik guys talking about I'm a little kid kicking and screaming. His ass fucking sliding and pouting and
I hope, man. Hey, my anxiety levels are above the roof. Like, unrecorded. It's a record breaking.
unseen the footage.
It's a record
of
breaking.
Malik.
That's a
He's
record
on
breaking.
bed, sleeping.
A record breaking
Be quiet so
anxiety
they
level.
sleeping. Close your mouth. Be quiet.
At BTZ's. Beat ups. My shorty. Shut the fuck up. It did say that. Night day, better day.
That brother ain't gum strap.
Receipt. Receipt.
That's how he sounded for real.
I don't need the pen.
Huh?
He just looked at you when you about to give him the pen, like, bitch, you gotta put that shit down.
Oh yeah. You just looked at.
Yeah, this how them bitches be when they got them inches thing.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Go, man.
Hey, we gotta stop at the store.
To get what?
Something to drink.
Oh! She grabbed my ass.
I'm not. My hand's right here.
No. Wait, that say snatched?
Mm-hmm.
So the other one we had said snatched too?
Yeah.
Oh, what a coincidence.
I think it's from the same store. What's this from? That's H&M, right?
I don't know. Oh, yeah.
Cute. Oh.
I thought I boxed off my hand.
How was it inside of your arm?
Hang it over. Let's see what these waves here. Ooh. I mean, my hair. It's my second, third time cutting it. So my hair might be big. This side darker than this side. What's up, y'all? I'm back real quick. I just want to talk about, fuck, I'm getting old. My fucking bones be fucking snapping crazy. Damn, that shit just hurted. Damn. And my feet hurt. I'm gonna have arthritis in my feet and my fucking... Man. I'm wearing fucking slings and shit. You know old people who wearing slings and shit in their hair? I mean, not slings, but fucking little wrist thingies. But, I just want to talk about how, I fucking, only thing I hate about my generation is when I was in like in 8th grade. Everybody wanted to be all fucking grown and shit. Like, bitch, we in 8th grade. What you talking about? Everybody was talking, you childish, you childish, you childish. Bitch, shut up. We in 8th grade. Bitch, we only fucking 13, 14. Fuck you talking about? You childish. Bitch, we still got 4 or 5 more years to fucking go. What are you talking about? You childish, you childish, you childish. Oh my god, y'all so childish. Bitch, shut up. That's what I hate about 8th grade. Back. Hold on. I want to just look at my hand. Upside down and shit. Look, I want to add a message, man. I know them hoes I was just talking about some. Boy, you 21, you still stand with your mouth. Bitch, shut up. You stand in fucking government assisted homes. Shut up. You being helped, so you basically stand with the government. Shut up. I'm standing with my mama, you stand with the government. Which one sound better? And plus, you only reason why you left your mama's house because she was making you pay rent. And parents, stop making your kids pay rent. You fucking dummy. You setting your kids up for failure in life. What the fuck? Who parents make their kids pay rent? What the fuck? They ain't teaching them shit, but that you don't love them. Yeah, man. I got that from Gutter.